Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharmin. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for watching my video and subscribing my channel. And today's makeup look is this makeup look, and I use this eyeshadow palette. This one is Alamar Cosmetics, and I got this on my BoxyCharm last month. And this eyeshadow palette, it's really pigmented and there's no fallout or anything, but I thought it will, like, because normally I use my face makeup first and I go on my eye makeup, but today I did like opposite. I use my eyeshadow first and then face makeup. So this eyeshadow, when I got this, I was like really tempted to use these two colors, and they're very pigmented. You can use this dry or wet, and I tried to use it, but I don't know the camera. And on top of it, I use this Revlon photo ready eye art. This is very old and I had it a long time, so I was like maybe, but it doesn't, I don't like it that way. It sit on my eyelid. And yeah, so I hope you guys will like this look. If you want to see how I create this makeup look, so please keep on watching. Bye guys. So I'm using my concealer as my eyeshadow primer, and I'm just blending it out with the sponge. So now for the eyeshadow, I'm using my Alamar Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. So from the palette, I'm using the lighter yellow shade as my crease color with the fluffier brush. Now I'm using the orange shade, and I'm just placing onto my crease, a little bit lower crease, and I'm just blending it out like a wiper motion. And now I'm going back to that fluffier brush and I'm just blending it out with that lighter yellow shade. So now I'm getting the turquoise shimmery shade as my lid color. So now I'm using a little bit fluffier brush, and I'm just blending it out the edges of the eyeshadow, the turquoise eyeshadow. So going back to the big fluffier brush, and I'm just getting a little bit yellow shade, and I'm just making sure all the colors are blended properly. So for eyeliner, I'm using Fenty Beauty eyeliner. The one I'm using is like a deluxe size. I got it from Sephora. So I'm just gonna use my finger. I'm just placing a little bit green shimmery shade to my eyelid. So for my waterline, I'm using my Makeup Forever Aqua Eye Black Kohl pencil. I'm only using on my top waterline. So for mascara, I'm using my L'Oreal Love Paradise mascara. For lashes, I use off camera. So for my primer, I'm using my Maybelline Baby Skin Face Primer. And for foundation, I'm using my CoverGirl Full Coverage Matte Foundation, and I'm just getting a little bit Cover FX drops. So I'm just mixing both of them together. And I'm just blending it out with the sponge. For my concealer, I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I've been loving this lately. It's full coverage concealer. And I'm just blending it out with the same sponge. For set my concealer, I'm using my Eyebrow Pro powder, setting powder. And for brown highlighter, I'm using the Smashbox highlighter. And for bronzer, I'm using my Cover FX. It's like a highlighter, but for my skin, it's more like a bronzer, shimmery bronzer. And for blush, I'm using my Makeup Revolution blush. Now for lower lashes, I'm using the yellow shade and I'm just smudging it out with the smudger brush. So I'm just taking a little bit darker shade and I'm just placing onto my lower lashes and I'm just blending it out with that smudging pencil brush. So now for my waterline, I'm using a Urban Decay 24/7 Easy Glide On eye pencil. It's like an orangish terracotta color, and I'm smudging it with the orange color, orange eyeshadow. So now I'm using a Revlon Photo Ready. It's like a color art liquid eyeshadow. That color is also like a green, turquoise green color. For my lip, I'm using Jordana lip liner. And for lipstick, I'm using Anastasia's liquid lipstick. So finish up my look, I'm just using my lower lashes mascara. And for my inner corner, I'm using the lighter shade for my inner corner highlighter. And this is my completed look. So I really like it how it turned out. I hope you guys will like this look. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So see you in my next video.